Radio broadcasting radio is firstly invented by Marconi in 1895. The radio broadcasting is
Still out.
the radio broadcasting three phases. First one is production of sound and transmitting antenna on tower and radio receivers for production of sound. In in places the speaker announces the words, and this is through audio frequency generation and generation of RF carriers and RF errors. This is modulation of transmitters. These two modulation transmitting on antenna towers.
The audio frequency signals and radio frequency waves are combined in the modulator. The modulated waves particularly an antenna on a fixed on a tower. The transmitting antenna broadcasts the modulator radio frequency waves into space.
These waves are connected to towers, and this is called modulation. And after radio receivers.
The radio receiver is received from the modulated waves from the transmitting stations. The tuning circuit only receives the information and it extracts the detectors.
And how the radio is we can able to hear the radio set. In the radio station, a man is placed in the studio set. He will announce the situations and matters, and he will play songs in the radio frequencies. And then the radio will be the current passing audio frequency generating waves are passing through these parts, and these parts second part is called as generating of RF carriers. Both these RF carriers waves and audio frequency generating frequencies are joined together and form a modulation. And modulation is attached to the towers. The tower will transmit the signals into the receiver in the very long distance. We can able to listen the radio in the forest and in lot of other places. And with the help of this transfer tower, the radio signals will pass. And later, this is a tower, sir. This is also tower. This switch is used to catch the frequencies, and which is used to fifth one, sir. Receiving antenna, sir. This is receiving antenna, sir. Tuning circuit. Sixth one is tuning circuit. Seventh one is detector, sir. And eighth one is amplifier. Amplifier is used to convert the RF carriers into songs
And
RHS. It will detect the RF and AF waves. And ninth one speaker, sir. In speaker we can able to listen all the things which was playing in the radio station. By our nearest radio station is Vijayawada, sir. On that radio station we can able to know all the matters of functions of Vijayawada and what the special days. Nowadays there are so many radio stations like 98.3, 100.3. We can also listen our other states also, because the radio can be transmitting any waves of the country, sir. We can able to listen our American and Australian radio stations, sir. In night times we can able to when we are on time we can able to listen those stations, sir. This is the working of radio broadcasting, sir. Radio is a only thing which is already known to us, but it is so much popular today, sir. The wavelength of radio waves is 10 meters to 100 kilometers, and the frequency is 30 megahertz
All
to 300
standard,
kilohertz. And we can see the here flowchart of radio broadcasting, sir. And how will the transmitter will cover? Start this. First one, it starts according to the mathematically we can draw the flowchart, sir. First one starts in the audio in studio, receiving media broadcasting. And in a radio station, how will it will be transmitted here?